All right, let's show you what's going on. And we start with a look downtown. Lots of cloud cover again today. Well, we talked about it yesterday. We get some sunshine early on in the day, a few mountain wave clouds over the Sandias, and now things are relatively quiet out there. But what we've got are those clouds, and what we'll get again for tomorrow is more cloud cover and a lot more wind. Wind advisories in the east central sections down into Chaves County for tomorrow, with wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour as the storm system goes to our north. We also have a winter weather advisory north of Durango and Pagosa Springs. Up in the high San Juans, we could end up with 3 to 6, maybe 3 to 8 inches of snow out of the system. Not a big timer of a storm, but maybe enough to add some good spring snow out there. And as we check out the fire weather concerns, we're probably going to see a lot of this over the next few months. Fire weather watches for southeastern New Mexico tomorrow and red flag warnings through the southwest and east central sections as well. 62 degrees in the metro. Wind's not a huge factor today, thankfully, out of the south at 8 miles an hour. 50s and 60s across the north and down to the south. Temperatures in the 50s, 60s, and even some low 70s. We are tracking plenty of Pacific moisture, especially the mid and high level variety across the state right now. Storm system is going to drop down from the northwest, skate to our north tomorrow. So as it does, that will crank up the winds across the area, give us a chance at some snow showers north of Durango, mixes around the four corners over to rain showers, and maybe a little bit of rain-snow mix action over the northern mountains as well. As you can tell, though, from this shot, it's more cloud cover than it is actual precipitation. When you mix the wind in, even though it's going to be nice and warm tomorrow, not going to be exactly the best setup out there for getting a really nice day on tap. And as we head into Friday, and even Friday evening, not much precip. Another storm system for Saturday, which we'll talk about here in just one moment. But as the system goes to our north tomorrow, we will see plenty of wind across the area and plenty of cloud cover as well. Again, you got to go pretty far north to get a shot at some rain and snow. And then we watch this guy coming in throughout the day on Saturday, and this is going to be an interesting storm. It's cold, it's got a lot of wind with it. The question is, how much precip will it bring? And you can tell by the storm report, probably not a whole lot. Right now it's off the Pacific Northwest coast. Saturday through Sunday morning is the time frame we're watching. Northern mountain snows will be at least possible out into the northeast. Windy in the metro, much colder, but the bust potential on this is 75%. Tonight at 10 we'll talk about the track on this thing, but right now the track looks a little too far north to deliver a significant shot of precip, so that's why the bust potential is high. I do think we're going to see some wind, and we're definitely going to see some cold, but the precip very shaky at this point, especially if you don't go way north. 53 Pagosa Springs tomorrow, 58 in Cortez. Plenty of cloud cover, valley showers, and mountain snow. Down into the northwest, temperatures here for the most part, 50s and 60s. A few showers possible tomorrow with plenty of cloud cover around. Temperatures drop like a rock by Saturday. 80 in TRC, 75 in Silver City, and 82 in Lordsburg. Mostly cloudy skies, and the winds crank up over the southeast. It'll be warm, but it'll be windy with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Same deal in the northeast. Not quite as warm, but just as windy with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Slight chance at a shower. Could see a few rain-snow mixes over to a few rain showers over the northern mountains tomorrow. Even at the resorts, not all that cold with this particular storm. 60s for the most part in the East Mountains. A lot of wind, mostly cloudy skies. In the metro, a sprinkle's not out of the realm of possibility tomorrow. It's just the bigger story is going to be the winds with a lot of cloud cover. In your extended forecast here, temperatures will come down over the weekend. We're going to drop 20 degrees by the time we hit Sunday.
And wind. Yikes.
Yep.